In chapter 2, we are going to talk about the multiple inheritance, and we are going to implement a token contract, and this is an example of multiple inheritance. So the Satoshi is negligible and half finite, and so you can use this to inherit from these two contracts. So now we can put it to the test, and it already inherits from zombie attack, and we can also inherit from ERC721, but now we have to import the ERC721.sol. So we go down to here and import. And then we also have to inherit from zombie attack and ERC721, and we can go to check the answer. So we can go to next chapter.